What's going on, guys? George here with another video, and yep, you already know, another Jeep video. We're going to be installing some Baja Designs S2 Sports on this thing. Big shout out to Baja Designs for providing these lights for us. And yeah, let's get started. I also want to give a big shout out and big thanks to S2 Motorsports for sending us these brackets. All we did to install them was remove 2 bolts and install the bracket. So when you receive your lights from Baja Designs, you will also get a harness and pretty much everything you need to wire the lights to your truck or vehicle. Alright, so when you open your box, you will get a small harness like this that has 2 connectors that lead to each ditch light, and then you will also get another extra center connector that will go straight to your harness. Basically, I'm going to be removing these 2 screws here to be able to lift this middle portion of it. That way I'm able to slide the harness in between and place the ditch lights on the brackets. Inside the Baja Designs box, you will also get some hardware that you'll need to place the light on the bracket. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind, these Baja Designs brackets usually come bare, and I usually do like to primer them and add a little bit of black paint. That way they match the brackets or wherever you're going to be putting them. But basically you're going to be adding the hardware provided, and for now all you're going to do is just hand tighten them. You don't have to worry about making them super tight just yet, because we are going to be adjusting them once we place the Baja Designs light right on top. Alright, so once you place the hardware and the brackets, all we're going to be doing is placing the Baja Designs and grab the hardware provided and go ahead and install it. One thing that I noticed that just kind of blows my mind is the attention to detail. As you can see here, you might be wondering, what is this yellow stuff? This is called thread locker, and many times when you guys order from Chinese companies or maybe lower quality companies, this is not even an option. You'll never see thread lockers. So Baja Designs, you guys have these things on point. Once you figured out what position you want the bracket to be facing, you can just go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, so now that everything is dialed in, it looks something like this. I'm really liking and digging this new look. You might be wondering, George, why did you remove the bar light that was on top? The reason why we removed it is because we couldn't find a solution to get rid of all the wind noise. And we do take this Jeep on long trips, and honestly guys, the wind noise was killing us. It was driving us nuts, so we figured, why not just, for now that we figure out a solution to cut the wind noise, for now we're going to take it off, we're going to remove it, and we're going to be installing these S2 Sports from Baja Designs at the same time, comboed with these brackets from S2 Motorsports. So if you're wondering how I wired these things, honestly guys, the bar light was already wired, so all I did was use the same wiring to power the S2 Sports. If you guys are looking for a video on how to wire a light bar or maybe pods for your Jeep, I'm going to be putting that link down below. You guys can check that out. But for now, these things look pretty awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this type of content when it comes onto the Jeep, do me a favor, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.